Edgar Hoover, creator of the Hoover vacuum. Now, as the thing about being a Hoover... Okay, apparently I was the former head of the FBI. Probably crack or something. Yeah, whatever.
Edgar Hoover was born on January 1st, 1895 in Washington. His father was a printmaker but had a mental breakdown and spent his remaining years in a mental asylum.
You see, when my father was all like cuckoo and stuff, and he had to go to the little mental asylum or whatever, he kind of left us like in hanging. So I had to get a job. You know what? It sucked. It really sucked. I was a messenger boy. Stop it!
He became a messenger boy for the Library of Congress. He studied there for a law degree at Washington University. He graduated in 1917.
Alright, you see, everyone thinks I'm crazy or something. I'm not freaking crazy, alright? I'm not. I have a college degree.
His uncle, who was a judge, got him a job in the Justice Department. 2 years later, he became Alexander M. Palmer's special assistant. He was given the responsibility of arresting and deporting communists from the country. He created a massive card index of people with left-wing political views. There was over 4,050 names.
You have no freaking idea how long it took me to make these little punks. Oh, God, my arms.
He created a massive card index with people with left-wing political views. There was over 450,000 names in it, and he chose 60,000 of the most dangerous names and gave them to Palmer to deport.
Oh, those were the good days. I got to tell everybody what to do after communists. Oh, those were the good days. Just telling everybody what to do.
In 1921, he was promoted to Assistant Director of the Bureau of Investigation as a reward of the 60,000 names. Then in 1924, he was promoted to the Director of the Bureau. In 1935, he complained to the Congress about the limited power of the Bureau. Example, not being able to carry weapons, not being able to arrest suspects, and Congress agreed to create the FBI. They were allowed weapons and could act against crimes across the nation.
We used to, we didn't even have guns or anything, man. We used this little piece of tape, and we just show it to people. But now that we're actually the FBI, we can freaking use guns and all. And, come on, we can arrest people. Hey, cameraman, are you a communist? Cameraman, are you a communist? Arrest you.
When we come back, Hoover brings Tolson as Assistant Director of the FBI. But were they lovers? More when your turn.
Yeah! Okay. Who wants to clean and debone them?
I'll do it. What gives? You want to do it?
Just wait till you see what I've got. It's the Wonder Boner.
The Wonder Boner?
Oh, you laugh now. Just watch. You just assemble the Wonder Boner stainless steel rods like this. Take the fish, find the top of the spine, slide him through the ring on the Wonder Boner, and
voila! The Wonder Boner. My wife would like that.
Introducing the Wonder Boner, the amazing new fishing tool that makes deboning fish a breeze. The Wonder Boner's unique design removes the bones from trout, char, and whitefish. Simply connect the appropriate size stainless steel rods, start the spine through the ring, and push the fish through. It's that easy. And the Wonder Boner comes with a polyethylene storage case that doubles as a base and a cutting board. Why go through the hassle of deboning a fish the old-fashioned way when the Wonder Boner makes deboning fish this easy?
Well, I think the Wonder Boner's a winner. So, Dave, where did you get the Wonder Boner? Funny you should ask.
Order your Wonder Boner now. Call 1-800-310-3039 and receive the amazing Wonder Boner for just $19.95. The Wonder Boner comes complete with 3 stainless steel rod tops and 2 extension rods, and will debone fish up to 3 pounds. The Wonder Boner is the perfect gift for your fishing friends and your favorite chef. In fact, every tackle box and every kitchen should have the Wonder Boner. Call 1-800-310-3039 and order your Wonder Boner for only $19.95. 1-800-310-3039. Call now.
Welcome back to True Hollywood Story of J. Edgar Hoover. Soon after being promoted director of the FBI, Hoover made Clyde Tolson assistant director of the FBI.
Finally got the little punk. He took down an old woman trying to escape. Actually, that was me. I feel kind of bad about it. We're talking about Clyde, right? Oh, yeah. Clyde was a very good friend. Yes. Very good friend.
Tolson and Hoover allegedly were lovers. Rumors of Hoover's sexuality were later revealed when photos of Hoover showed him as a homosexual. This picture were obtained by mob boss Meyer Lansky, who used the photos to prevent the FBI from further investigating his crime.
Alright, look, nobody remembers that, alright? Nobody even remembers that, alright? There's like, if somebody does have those pictures, they probably have like an evil smile and a stupid haircut. Oh, you... Where the...
Elizabeth Bentley, who was formerly a part of the American Communist Party, gave the FBI info about a Soviet spy ring. Hoover believed that the communists were trying to overthrow the U.S. government.
They still are, man. They're freaking everywhere. They're everywhere.
Although most of the information she gave us was untrue, some info led us to the conviction of Harry Gold, David Greenglass, Ethel Rosenberg, and Julius Rosenberg of spying.
Alright, we got them. It sucked, like big time, because we had to go to like this little, like this person who was and like she gave us all this fake information apparently. She gave us some real information. She gave us information that got to a little punk. Got.
In 1961, Hoover promoted William Sullivan to assistant director of the FBI. Hoover and Sullivan both shared racist views of black people and were strongly against Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr. Hoover died at the age of 77 on May 2nd, 1972. All of his personals were destroyed at the request of Clyde.
Hey!
But you're... I see what's going on here. Crap, guys, not again. Jeez, do it better. I feel like some tall kid who wears Iron Maiden t-shirts and makes weird growling sounds that go like this. Ooh.